buntag sa nitonan. Good morning, magandang umaga. Mayong aga. Marajao Maupan aga. Okay, good morning. Today we are heading to a lagoon here in Amlan. It was made from mining, I think. Yeah. Super blue water. We've been here before. Holy cow. Alright, anyways, we've been here before, but we didn't vlog. We just took photos. But if you want to come here, we have it on our vlog, nopostcode.com.
Vlogs.
There is a tunnel that leads under this road and goes to the the lagoon. But Zoe is not going to come, so she's going to drive the car to meet us on the other side.
I don't know what's more dangerous.
She doesn't know how to drive a car here in the Philippines.
But I feel like this road I can drive. I just want to take Sam in case I can't.
Very wide road. So I think she can do it.
But there might be other cars.
Alright, you can do it. I'll meet you on the other side.
I can do it.
Good luck.
I need someone who can drive in case I can't drive.
Oh. I'm bakra. Bakra. Do you trust her, Sam?
Patay judani.
Patay judani. Good luck. Ayos, palakpak. Very good, very good. Sige. Unsa pa gyud?
Suway is driving. Where's the brake?
This one.
Alright. Where's the accelerator?
This one.
Alright, good. Perfect.
I haven't driven in a year.
Good luck sa ila.
Good luck sa ila.
Very nice. Para saan ni siya?
Para paingon sa sulfur na.
Paingon sa sulfur. So, before, di ba, for mining ni siya?
Oh, for mining.
So, diri niagi ang murag carts. What? Murag na railroad na gamay. Uy, kusog hangin. Sige, wala ko nag-vlog sa sulod kay kusog hangin. Pero niabot na mi diri sa pikas. Ambot ko na sa si Zoe. Okay na si Zoe?
Okay na, Zoe. Nasa ko ng likod.
Buhi pa sila?
Hello everyone. Welcome to my vlog. I am driving for the first time in the Philippines. And oh my gosh, I have to turn. So before it was just a straight road, now I have to actually turn. Look at this, perfect. Okay, I'm going 20 kilometers an hour. It's so slow. Whoa, that's a hole. What's the word for sweat? What is this road? Left side or the middle?
The middle. Avoid the sun.
Okay, the problem with my steering wheel being on the left is that my road position is off because I'm not used to the wrong side of the road. Sam flipped the camera around so they can see the view. Show them the nice view. Oh, like, how do you do it? Oh, I don't know, just maybe you don't do. Nah, don't worry about it. That's okay. We're just gonna focus on driving. We've slowed down. We're doing 15 kilometers now. Oh, we're stopping. I made it. I did it. We're here. A tunnel. Okay, I just park here. Oh, that's the... I did it!
Hey!
I vlogged for you.
Really?
Uh-huh. Well, Sam did.
Was it scary?
Yeah, there was a slight part where there was a narrow part and then there was some sand in the middle. So I had to go on the left side, but then...
So loud.
And so my road positioning was a little bit off and I almost drove straight into the pile of sand. Sam was like... You
want me to drive now?
I want to practice.
Okay.
This is my disclaimer. I know how to drive. I just don't know how to drive here. Everything is backwards. Everything. From where my car, this is a car, from where my steering wheel is to the road to everything. So that's why I'm useless. But I can drive in Australia really good. Here's my car scene. You can come with us.
Ala, dili ra ko. Kaya no insurance. Kaya two children man. Children, kids. Kids day.
Pwede sa children. I am now driving because Zoe cannot squeeze through here. Can you imagine you squeezing through that first part?
I would have hit everything. Somehow I would have hit both sides. Okay, that's me done.
So diri masugod ang trekking sa Satellite Market. Saan siya? Sitio Lingab, Barangay San Miguel. Sige, so ani na hike murag 20 minutes lang. 20 minutes?
20 to 30.
20 to 30, depende kung sa kakusog imong lakaw. Pero doon naman, dugay lang kung lapok kayo.
Nakaabot na ta.
Asa man?
Dire.
Sa?
Tubig.
The blue? Alright, we are here. Diri sa Amlan. Diri sa Lagoon. Tanawa. Blue kayo. Blue pa sa mata ni Zoe. Ay brown di ay ang mata.
My motto is like, my motto is lubog.
Lubog. Lubog yung mata. Sige, so syempre bago kami maligo, makaon na sad kay gutom si Sam. Gutom po me. Tanawa, oh.
Silod ka, Sam?
Grabe ka blue, tubig.
Kuan na siya, kan mo na siya.
Sige, kaon na ta.
We're around the world together, so open away. Come again, it's now or never. We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Behind the line.
Ayos, sige, busog na mi. So, pwede na mi maligo. Diri sa tinaw na tubig. You ready? Bugnaw. Bugnaw ang tubig. Okay naman.
Hands up, such a rush. I love having you here with me. To dream big is no sin. The sky has no limit, yeah, we're free. This town's too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand, follow me. Baby, we're leaving
Lex by Mem Joey.
Lecture by Mem Joey. So we are here with official tourism because the lagoon is closed to the public for the time being, or indefinitely. It used to be open, but
But what?
what, how close are we? Close. But they had to close it, cerrado it, because people left all of their basura here. And you guys know how much I hate that. Hulk. Yeah, so everyone left their, not everyone, I mean, yeah, everyone.
The people that left.
The people that were here.
Not everyone.
Well, the people that, okay, people left their trash here. A lot of their trash. So much that it had to be closed for the sake of this place. Otherwise, it was going to be destroyed.
Sige, humunami sa Blue Lagoon. O nai daw what usa pa ka what? Saman? Nai waterfalls daw.
Gamay lang.
Gamay lang siya.
Yeah, so
Di siya taas.
Yeah. Sobra pas nature spring ang tubig.
So doon naman mga 10 minutes daw, pero sigurado 2 ka oras kay basta ingon nila 10 minutes layo kayo. Diba?
10 minutes ka oras.
10 minutes lang daw. Bantay ha. Uy! What is going on? This is nuts. Highway na. Highway na. This tree is growing out of a rock. No? Stig, no?
Plastic.
Gikan sa bato ang kahoy.
Pikey.
Saan man na? Ayos. So, diri daw, nagpuyo ang duwende. So, bantay.
Ano si Sansan?
Oh. Duwende. Dwarfs. Unsay English sa duwende? Dwarf, no? Dwarf kay gamay man.
Gamay man.
Sige, sa mo siyang fog. Gamay siya. Cute kaayo. Sige, so humar kami diri sa bukid. Manawag mi sa Amlan kay nay birthday party.
Huh?
They were right. It was only like 10 minutes here.
Very itchy though.
Very itchy. So, manawag na ta. Alright, so we're back at Marlon's house. Kapo na mi, kapo ka?
Wala naman.
Ikaw. Ah, may puppy na pod. Oh, this is the cutest. Oh, diri sa iyang balay, puro Spartan. Tanawa, bago ni siya.
Bago na
Spartan. Si Larry lang, kulang.
Wala.
Sa imong Spartan.
Wala pa kay sarado.
Ah, wala pa, sarado. Nibalik siya sa Team Javi, Castilan. Okay, magguba man na. Sige, pero wala na mi sa Dumaguete. So, diri lang mahuman ang vlog. Unta na lang mo. Napay next vlog kay Dagan Adventure diri sa Amlan.
Sa Amlan.
Oh.
Dagan pa.
Sige, so salamat sa pagtanaw og
Amping mo tanan.
Bye-bye.
woo!